your boy, Linus, here to break down the latest and greatest from the world of Microsoft Windows 11. This new operating system is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how we use our computers. This isn't just a fresh coat of paint, it's a complete overhaul designed to redefine how we interact with our PCs. The user interface has been meticulously redesigned to be more intuitive and user-friendly, making it easier for both tech-savvy users and beginners to navigate. From a sleek new interface to powerful performance enhancements, Windows 11 is poised to usher in a new era of computing. The new Start menu is centered, providing a fresh look and feel, while the taskbar has been optimized for better performance and usability. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or an everyday user, Windows 11 packs something for everyone. Gamers will appreciate the new DirectStorage technology, which significantly reduces load times and improves game performance. Creative professionals will love the enhanced support for high-resolution displays and multi-monitor setups. We're talking about a faster, more intuitive and secure operating system designed to make your digital life smoother than ever before. The new Snap Layouts and Snap Groups features make multitasking a breeze, allowing you to organize your open windows in a way that suits your workflow. So buckle up as we dive deep into the world of Windows 11, exploring its exciting new features, system requirements, and everything in between. We'll take a closer look at the new Widgets feature, which provides personalized news, weather, and calendar updates right on your desktop. Get ready to embrace the future of computing. With Windows 11, Microsoft is setting a new standard for what an operating system can be. Stay tuned as we explore how this groundbreaking OS can transform your digital experience. Now let's pop open the hood and take a peek at what makes Windows 11 tick. Windows 11 is not just a simple upgrade, it's a comprehensive overhaul designed to meet the needs of modern users. From the moment you start your computer, you'll notice the difference. The boot times are faster, the interface is more intuitive, and the overall experience is smoother. At its core, Windows 11 retains the familiar NT kernel that has powered Windows for decades, but with some notable improvements under the hood. This kernel has been fine-tuned to offer better performance and stability. The NT kernel is the heart of the operating system, managing hardware resources and ensuring that your applications run smoothly. With Windows 11, this kernel has been optimized to handle modern workloads more efficiently. One of the key changes is the shift towards a more modern and secure architecture. Security has always been a priority for Microsoft, and Windows 11 takes it to the next level. The new architecture is designed to protect against a wide range of threats, from malware to sophisticated cyber attacks. This is achieved through a combination of hardware and software improvements that work together to keep your data safe. Windows 11 requires a TPM 2.0 chip, a dedicated hardware component designed to enhance security and protect your data from sophisticated attacks. The TPM 2.0 chip is a critical part of the security architecture, providing a secure environment for storing cryptographic keys and other sensitive information. This chip ensures that your system is protected from unauthorized access and tampering. In terms of performance, Windows 11 is all about efficiency and speed. The operating system has been optimized to make the most of your hardware, whether you're using a high-end gaming rig or a budget laptop. This means faster load times, smoother multitasking, and better overall performance. The improvements in performance are not just limited to new hardware. Even older systems can benefit from the optimizations in Windows 11. It's optimized to run smoothly even on older hardware, thanks to better memory management and improved power consumption. The memory management system in Windows 11 has been redesigned to be more efficient, allowing your computer to handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. Additionally, the improved power consumption means that your laptop battery will last longer, giving you more time to work or play without needing to recharge. And let's not forget about display support. Windows 11 offers enhanced support for multiple monitors, making it easier than ever to set up a productive workspace. Whether you're a professional who needs multiple screens for work or a gamer who wants an immersive experience, Windows 11 has you covered. Windows 11 embraces the latest display technologies, including HDR and high refresh rates, for a truly immersive visual experience. The support for HDR means that you can enjoy more vibrant colors and better contrast, making everything from movies to video games look more lifelike. High refresh rates ensure that your screen updates more frequently, providing a smoother and more responsive experience. especially in fast-paced applications like gaming. The first thing you'll notice about Windows 11 is its stunning new look. The design overhaul is immediately apparent with a fresh aesthetic that feels both modern and inviting. The user interface has been meticulously crafted to offer a seamless experience, blending form and function in a way that makes everyday tasks feel more enjoyable. Gone are the sharp corners and cluttered menus of the past, replaced by a sleek and modern design language that's both visually appealing and incredibly intuitive. The new interface is designed to reduce visual clutter and make navigation more straightforward, allowing users to focus on what matters most. The rounded corners and translucent window effects add a touch of elegance, creating a sense of depth and space that enhances the overall user experience. These subtle design elements contribute to a more immersive and engaging interface, making it a pleasure to use. The iconic Start menu has been reimagined, now centered on the taskbar for easier access. This central placement not only looks more balanced, but also makes it more convenient to reach your favorite apps and settings. The Start menu has been streamlined to provide quick access to the tools you use most. It features a clean grid of your most used apps and recent files, making it a breeze to find what you need. The layout is designed to be intuitive, with everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're opening a frequently used application or accessing a recent document, the new Start menu makes it simple and efficient. Windows 11 also introduces snap layouts and snap groups, powerful new tools that make multitasking a breeze. These features allow you to organize your workspace with ease, arranging multiple windows in various configurations to suit your workflow. Whether you're working on a single project or juggling multiple tasks, snap layouts and snap groups help you stay organized and productive. With a single click, you can arrange your open windows in various layouts, maximizing your productivity and keeping your workspace organized. This functionality is particularly useful for users who need to manage several applications at once, providing a clear and efficient way to handle multiple tasks without feeling overwhelmed. And let's not forget about the new Widgets panel, a customizable feed of information that keeps you up to date with news, weather, traffic, and more. This feature allows you to personalize your desktop with the information that matters most to you, providing quick access to essential updates and helping you stay informed throughout the day. The Widgets panel is designed to be both functional and visually appealing, adding another layer of customization to your Windows 11 experience. Section 4. The Multitasking Powerhouse, Enhanced Productivity Features. Windows 11 isn't just about looking good, it's about getting things done. And that's where the enhanced multitasking features come into play. Snap layouts and snap groups, which we touched on earlier, are game changers for productivity. They let you effortlessly organize multiple windows side by side, eliminating the need to constantly resize and reposition windows manually. Virtual desktops have also been improved, making it easier than ever to create separate workspaces for different tasks. Whether you're juggling work projects, personal emails, or creative endeavors, virtual desktops help you stay focused and organized. And for those who rely on multiple monitors, Windows 11 offers enhanced multi-monitor support, allowing you to seamlessly move windows between displays and maintain your workflow. Section 5. Level up your game. Windows 11's gaming enhancements. Gamers, rejoice. Windows 11 is packed with features designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. One of the most significant additions is Auto HDR, a feature that automatically enhances the visuals of supported games, bringing older titles to life with stunning HDR quality. DirectStorage, a technology previously exclusive to the Xbox Series XS, comes to PC with Windows 11. DirectStorage allows games to bypass the CPU and load assets directly from the SSD, resulting in significantly faster loading times and more immersive game worlds. And with the Xbox app integrated directly into Windows 11, accessing your game library, connecting with friends, and enjoying Xbox Game Pass is easier than ever. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.